Hello friends, welcome to Programming Concepts. My name is Amit and this is part 5 of our What's New in .NET 7 and C# 11 series. In this video, we will learn about a new C# 11 feature called List Pattern Matching. If you want to learn .NET Core from scratch, you can watch our dedicated playlist created for that purpose. I will share the link in the description. So, what are list patterns? Let's first read the description from Microsoft. List patterns extend pattern matching to match sequences of elements in a list or an array. Let's see what that means. Let's go to Visual Studio. I have already created a console application in .NET 7. Let's say we have an array of integer. So int, square brackets, numbers is equal to, then let's say we have 1, 2, 3. You can also create a list. It will work the same way. The first way is to check each element individually. Let's print our output. Console.writeLine. Numbers within square brackets 1, 2, 3. Here we are matching each element individually. So according to this line, we expect our array or list first item to be 1, second item to be 2, and third item to be 3. So the output will be true, indicating a pattern match. Next, if I write console.writeLine, numbers is 1, 2, 4. The third item is not 4. So the output will be false. Next, if I write console.writeLine, numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4. Although the first 3 elements are same, we don't have the fourth element in our array. So the result will be false. The next example is little better. You can also apply OR and smaller than greater than operators. So console.writeLine numbers is within square bracket, let's say 0 or 1, comma, smaller than equal to 3, comma, greater than equal to 3. In this case, all our elements will be successfully validated and the expected output will be true. Let me run our application. And we get true, false, false, true, which is the desired output. Next, let's get back to the slide. The next point is that you can match elements using any pattern, including constant, type, property, or relational patterns. The discard pattern underscore matches any single element, and new range pattern matches any sequence of 0 or more elements. Let's cover both these patterns, discard and range patterns, one by one. Let's go back to Visual Studio, comment out our existing console statements. So the discard patterns uses an underscore and it will match everything including null. Let's say if I write console.writeLine, numbers is underscore, comma, underscore, comma, underscore. It means it will match every character at index 0, 1, and 2. Simple. So it will be written true. On a similar note, if I write console.writeLine numbers is underscore, comma, smaller than 3, comma, greater than equal to 3. This statement will also return true. Simple, extremely simple. Next, let's cover the range pattern or the double dot pattern. It matches any sequence of 0 or more elements. So if I write console.writeLine, numbers is ... It will match 0 or more elements. So it will match all elements because we didn't specify any position. So it will return true. Let's quickly take two more examples. Console.WriteLine number says 1 comma dot dot. Here I am saying the first element should be 1 and rest of the element could be anything. Next, console.WriteLine number says dot dot comma 4. Here I am saying the last element should be 4 and rest of the element could be anything. Because our last element is 3, it will return false. Let's run to confirm. And you can see the last one is false and rest of them are true. All right, let's quickly cover our last example. Let's comment out all these lines. The last one is the where pattern. If you also want to capture the element, we can use the where pattern. So if number is within square bracket where first, comma underscore, then console.WriteLine, dollar for string interpolation. The first element of the 3 item list is within curly braces first. This is very simple. I'm capturing the first element using where and saying element 2 and element 3 could be anything. And then I'm printing our where variable. Let's run our application. And you can see we get the desired output. Here in this video we tried with array. You can also try the same thing with the list. It will work the same way. So that's it for this video. I hope you like our content. If you have any queries related to the content of this video, feel free to ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching.